Join us for day 2 of our Royal Caribbean Bahamas cruise as we arrive at Coco Cay Bahamas. We love how the elevator tells us what day it is. We started off our day eating a yummy breakfast at the Windjammer. They had a great selection of breakfast foods and we thoroughly enjoyed our breakfast. The Windjammer was one of the buffets on the Allure of the Seas ship. I even got to meet one of the chefs. We're arriving at Coco Cay. Our ship is getting docked. It's going to be a great day. Coco Cay is a private island that is owned by the Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines. We made our way down to the gangway where we would disembark the ship. We disembarked the ship early that morning and began walking down the long deck to get to our destination. Hey guys! Today we're in Coco Cay Bahamas. We're going to take an air balloon ride and also do a glass bottom boat tour. So we're going to take you guys with us today. It's a beautiful day in the Bahamas. It truly was a perfect day in Coco Cay. We loved their beautiful, elaborate, colorful costumes and the wonderful welcome as we came ashore.
Strollers, restrooms. This is Captain Jack's.
There were signs everywhere so you could find your way around the island. There were so many places on this island to just hang out and chill for the day. This was a great little kids area. There were only 2 ships here for the day, ours and Celebrity Reflections. It felt like we had the island to ourselves at times. Coco Cay is 1 mile long and 200 yards wide, and can easily be explored by walking. We loved how they had strollers and wheelchairs that you could use in the sand.
Up and away.
Up and Away was one of the shore excursions that we booked, and it was awesome. We'll show you that in next week's video. So stay tuned. Like I said earlier, there are signs all over the island to direct you. I don't even think somebody as directionally challenged as me could get lost. They had several beaches, pools, a lagoon, so many places to hang out that were free with our cruise. There was a charge for the water park, the zip line, and a few other things, but most things were complimentary. Coco Cay is one of the Berry Islands, and it's located 55 miles north of Nassau. You look for shady spots to walk on the island because it's super hot in the Bahamas. They had shuttles that were free that took you all around the island, and we take one of those here in a bit. Looking up at these cabanas, these are some that you could rent for the day. They were quite expensive. If you wanted a private area for your family, you could rent one of those. But there were so many available free chairs on the beach, we didn't see the need. They even had an island library, and Keith found the hammocks. They had a sports pavilion there on the beach with so many different activities. Everything you could think of, they had. There's no excuses for being bored on the island. They had something for everyone. Then we decided to take the tram around the island.
So continue to remain seated. Keep your hands and feet in the tram all the time for your safety. Look to your right, you see the sit and eat area for snack shack. That's open at 10:30 to 3 till 3 o'clock. You get your complimentary burgers, fries, mushroom sticks, funnel cakes, chicken burgers. You also get fruits and salad right there at snack shack. Now, if you look to your left, you will see the area called Chill Grill that open at 11:30 until 3 as well. You get your own, you can eat buffet complimentary and also your soft serve ice cream. All these chairs and umbrellas are first come, first serve complimentary. Now, if you look ahead looking for the shore excursion building, that's right there where you can do your jet ski tours, glass bottle boat, swim bigs, kayak rentals, and more. And if you're looking for the souvenir shops, you're gonna walk past the Boatman station straight down, and you'll see the souvenir shops to the left side for the straw market. And you also have the divers den and snorkel shop. This is the second stop at Chill Island. Welcome to Perfect Day at Coco Cay. My name is Tisma. I'll be your driver today. The roads are very bumpy, so it's going to be a bumpy ride to our 3 stops. First stop will be at Breezy Bay, and Breezy Bay at Coco Beach Club.
Riding the tram was free and a perfect way to explore the island. Tismal was a great guide.
So we are back at Oasis Lagoon, the first stop where you have the Oasis, large freshwater pool in the Caribbean, and also Breezy Bay and Coco Beach Club.
There's the balloon. It was a great excursion, and we can't wait to show you that in next week's video. Behind that wall with the leaves on it that you see to your left is where all the workers live there on Coco Cay. They work 7 days a week, 10 to 12-hour days, and they stay on the island for 3 months at a time. I found a hammock too. We made our way over to the straw market. That's where you could buy souvenirs. The straw market was over by Chill Beach. I was on the hunt because I wanted to find a shirt that I could take home from Coco Cay. I knew what I was looking for. It just took me a while to find it. I wanted a brightly colored tie-dyed long sleeve shirt because I knew back home it was going to start getting cooler and I wanted to wear it a while. And I found the perfect shirt. They had this little lagoon, they had several beaches and pools, so there was a great variety of places to just chill and hang out. We ended up eating at the Chill Grill. This is the Chill Grill. All kinds of food, places to sit, drinks. It's hot out here. You need a lot of water. This was a great buffet with a big variety of food to choose from. And you could get all the ice water you wanted to drink, and you needed a lot here in the Bahamas. I'm not sure what happened to the pictures of my plate, but this is what Keith ate. And of course, I had to get ice cream. We met so many great people while we were on the island. For our second shore excursion, we did the glass bottom boat tour. It was phenomenal. We highly recommend it, and we'll show you that in a separate video as well. We spent the entire day on the island, so we started making our way back to the ship so we could get cleaned up before dinner. By this time of day, we were sopping wet with sweat and couldn't wait to get in the air conditioning aboard the ship. How long have you been working on this piece?
5 days.
Wow. Amazing artwork.
Awesome work.
I decided to use the children's splash area to clean off the sand from my feet before we went aboard ship. It truly was a perfect day in Coco Cay. Once we boarded ship and got back in our stateroom, we found a stingray on our bed. Then we got cleaned up and ate at the Grand. This is our assigned dining room, and so we're eating here at 7:30 tonight. We have a window here today for our dinner. How cool is that? This is a really pretty dining room. A different dining room than we ate in the other night. They started us off with some hors d'oeuvres and bread, and then we got our appetizers. I had the French onion soup, which was a little difficult to eat because the cheese was so thick. Keith got the fried calamari. He said it was very delicious. He enjoyed his. For my entree, I got chicken cordon bleu. It was okay. It wasn't the best that I've ever had. It was served with potatoes, carrots, and broccoli. And Keith got the beef tips served with mashed potatoes and asparagus. He said it was very delicious. Because we were celebrating our 49th wedding anniversary on this cruise, they gave us a happy anniversary dessert. They also sang to us. We didn't get that recorded because we didn't know they were going to do that. They surprised us. Keith got the apple cobbler served with vanilla ice cream. He said it was delicious as well. After dinner, we headed up to the solarium to watch the sunset over the ocean. So far, this Bahama cruise has been amazing. If you would like to see more of our videos, click the video that just popped up on your screen.